Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add icons to your HTML pages, so specifically font awesome icons. So right here I'm going to a new tab and I want to search for font awesome. So font awesome. So after searching for the font awesome, you realize that this first website appears, fontawesome.com. so you are just going to click on it. So when you click on it, it loads. So you want to start for free right here. So this is sent me kit. So with the font awesome, there is two ways, or there are not even two ways, there are ways to even go about it. Another way is you can download the whole library and use it in your project, or you can sign up for a free account and get a kit, a code called kit code, where you can embed it into link and put it in your project. So I'm going to recommend signing up and getting your own kit code where you can use it in your project. So it says, if you look at this, get started with font awesome. The easiest way to get icons on your website is with a kit. So that's the reason why I'm recommending using the kit. So to get your kit code, it says send a kit. So you just have to enter your email, then you click on send kit. Then they are going to send you an email where you have to confirm. I could send you a confirmation email where you have to confirm. After that, you just create your free account and get your kit code. But because I already have an email, I'm just going to click on already have account, sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my email. So I'm going to enter my password. So I'm going to sign in. So it signs. So I'm signing in. Alright. So you can see my kit code I have here. So with this kit code, all you have to do is you just have to put it in this link. So script source http kit fontawesome.com, your code. So wherever you just have to copy this kit code here, this kit CF, the kit that you are just seeing there. So when you sign up for your free account, they are going to give you a kit code like that, like this one right here, where you can put it inside the link. So where your code is, you just have to put the kit there and insert it inside your head tag. Or you can just go to free icons. Maybe you want to get off, you can just go to free icons. They are going to give you the custom link already. So this is the link I was talking about, where you have to paste your kit code. So as you can see, my kit code has been pasted inside this link here. So we just have to copy this link, then we'll go into our HTML document. So I already have a starter HTML code here. So this my link, I've pasted it inside the head tag. So you paste it inside the head tag where your title and your cassette and your viewport and things are inside your head tag. You just have to put the link there. So after pasting the link, you go back. So let's say you want an icon. So let's go to icons. So let's search for icons. So let's say we want icon like this. We want music. So let's search for music. So it's going to give you a list of an icons. So let's say we want this icon, you click on it, it gives you this code. So you just have to copy this code, you just have to right click on it, or just click on it once. It's copy the code into the clipboard. So let's say we want to paste it to our project. So we come here, just paste that. So let's go into our HTML file, refresh it. So as you can see, the music icon, just can see the music icon there. Or let's just say we want a YouTube icon. So we can just go back there. So let's search for YouTube. So let's say YouTube. So we click on the YouTube icon. So it gives us the YouTube icon. We can click on copy. So let's go back. So maybe let's say we want to create let's create an h3 tag. So let's say please subscribe to my channel. So let's say we want to paste it in front of the header tag. So inside the header tag, just place it inside. So let's go back here. So let's go to our page and refresh it. So you can just see it says please subscribe to my, then you see the link just appears there. So this is how to add icons into your HTML project. So another thing is that maybe, for example, because I placed this icon inside the HTML tag, it shows on the same line with the HTML tag. So anywhere you show that you paste the link, that's where it's going to show. So I can just copy this and delete this, and maybe just after, okay, I didn't copy it well. I have to copy it with both the I tags. So just copy. So let's say I come outside my h3 closing tag and I paste it there. Let's refresh it and see something. So the moment I refresh, you see that this comes on the same line. Initially it was here because this is not part of this. So anywhere you are going to paste your icons, that's where your icons is going to show. If you want your icons to show between the text, so I want my icons to show between, okay, please subscribe to my, so I'm about to paste it here. So let's go back, refresh it. So you can see the YouTube icon is please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is between my text. So wherever you paste your icons, that's where it's going to be. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.